On-screen text, need to cancel your Uber? Narrator, need to cancel a trip on Uber? Here's a clear, step-by-step guide in under a minute. On-screen text, Step 1, open the Uber app. Narrator, Step 1, open the Uber app and make sure you're signed in. On-screen text, Step 2, go to your current trip. Narrator, on the home screen, look for your active trip card at the bottom and tap it to open the trip details. On-screen text, Step 3, find cancel trip. Narrator, in the trip details, look for the cancel trip option near the bottom of the screen. On-screen text, Step 4, tap cancel trip. Narrator, tap cancel trip. A confirmation message will slide up asking if you're sure. On-screen text, check fees before you confirm. Narrator, before you confirm, look for any cancellation fee notice at the bottom of the message. On-screen text, Step 5, confirm cancellation. Narrator, if you still want to cancel, tap the confirm button to proceed. On-screen text, Step 6, choose a reason. Narrator, next, you may be asked to choose a cancellation reason, like changed my mind or driver taking too long. On-screen text, Step 7, submit. Narrator, tap submit or done to finish your cancellation. On-screen text, trip canceled. Narrator, you'll see a brief confirmation on screen that your trip has been canceled. On-screen text, review your receipt. Narrator, check your trip receipt to see if any cancellation fee was applied. On-screen text, you're done. Subtitle, cancel carefully to avoid fees. Narrator, and that's it. You've canceled your Uber trip in a few quick taps. Cancel early whenever possible to reduce the chance of fees.